Hi everyone. I signed up for Sarah's Concept to Course 30-day coaching program because I really like the fact that I would have access to Sarah every day. That daily availability or accountability for me was super important. And looking back, that's definitely what got me through the 30 days. Knowing that I could ask Sarah anything every day and she'd respond right away was very comforting and also encouraging and got me through a lot of major hurdles. But now that I've finally figured out, my personal stumbling blocks, I feel a lot more comfortable and optimistic about getting my next courses done pretty quickly. I definitely wouldn't have made it through without Sarah's hand-holding and also the support of everybody else in the group. It was just really invaluable to have that peer support and know that I wasn't the only one who was going through this and feeling a little overwhelmed. Another thing I really appreciate is the 3-month access to the Membership Academy as part of the coaching program benefits. Having access to supplemental courses really helped me get through some of the things that I ran into as part of creating my first course. And it definitely fast-tracked some of the new things that I had to learn, such as active campaign, email marketing system, and a couple other things. I'm really grateful for that, and I'm seeing my vision for my own online membership academy slowly coming to fruition, and I'm super excited for the year ahead.